Welcome to Sneaker Notes, man. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we got another how to style. This time it's on a reverse Brazil Nike Dunk Low. That's a long name, man. Yeah, man, but dope colorway. They released March 8th, so this is going to be an early how to style. But you know, go get your gear early, man. Why wait? Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So, if you haven't, you could check out my how to style on the Supreme Brazil high top joints. A lot of the fits, they blend perfectly. It's the same colorway. It's just one is a high, one is a low. But one thing I showed in that video that I don't own no more because I thought I never was gonna get another Brazil again once I got rid of that pair is the Eric Emanuel shorts, man. Those shorts right there, perfect match. I should have just kept them. I just didn't know another Brazil colorway was coming out, and I wasn't paying the $300-400 for the OG ones that came out back in 2020. But those shorts right there, perfect match. I looked them up for you guys. They're on StockX right now, between $120 and $160, just depending on sizing. But that's a perfect match. Besides those, you know we usually start with essentials. Not this time. Maybe later in the video. But let's start with some streetwear. Yes, sir. The Cactus Jack McDonald male tee is a perfect match in my opinion. Yeah, the outside got the clouds, the blue look, but that's not what we're really looking for. You see the Sprite logo there. When you think of Brazil, when you think of lemon lime, you gotta think of Sprite. That green and yellow look is crazy. This shirt right here, it's not that expensive, guys. The Travis Scott McDonald collab was dope, but they made a lot of different things, man. So a lot of stuff really wasn't that popular. But this is a dope shirt, in my opinion. Staying streetwear, gotta go with the Supreme curse word tee. You know, we gotta monetize here, man. But the Supreme tee, I like this look because that yellow and green mix gives you somewhere in a tennis ball look, and that's what this shirt is. Nice tennis ball look, and you're going to stand out just because of the quote of the word. The Polo Rugby is a perfect match. Little bit of yellow gold look right there on the pocket, but the overall shirt has that Freddy Krueger look. It's just white and green, and it's the green apple. It's the perfect match of the dunk with the white sandwiched in. Rugby look. Y'all know Polo Rugby used to be so popular. It's not that popular no more, but it's still expensive. This is like $130. You go to the Polo website, you'll find something cheaper. But I feel like this one here is the perfect match. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air Bait collab. Now, this shirt is busy. You got purple, you got orange, you got like an aqua, but look at Will Smith's suit. Look at his fit, man. The same color of the Brazils, man. Green and yellow, green and yellow. Perfect match. That alone will make the sneaker pop. No one else is looking at the other colors. Plus, it's a white sweatshirt, so dope match. I haven't checked third party on this, but I paid retail, I think, $150. Going back to Supreme, the Rick Rubin tee. A lot of people don't know who Rick Rubin is. He's like one of those stylish myth kind of guys. But the tee is Supreme and it's dope. Nice green look. I like this green because I feel like this is the type of green you would get if you mix that apple with that lightning yellow stripe. You get something like this. Plus, it's just a cool tee and very affordable. I seen prices from $60 to $80 depending on sizes on this tee. Now, remember earlier in the video I said we usually start with essentials. I really don't like this match, but it match. Fair Guard is calling this canary yellow. Now, if you put it side by side with the Brazil reverse joints, the yellow in that one is way darker than this yellow. Again, they calling it canary. The yellow on the dunk is lightning yellow, if I remember right. So the match is not that perfect, but it's an outfit, and you can get away with it just because of the similarities, the soft on top of the vibrant colors. I like the look. This right here is the hoodie. It says Essentials Fair Guard Big, the new logo. And this right here is the sweats. Retail for the sweats is $95, and I think for the hoodie is like 110 or something. Let's see, 100 even. But PacSun, Sense, PacSun, and Mr. Porter, they got deals right now, man. You can get this a little cheaper. In clothing also. But this Nike Tech suit here is a better blend for me. More of that Volt green, but like with like a hit of light on it. I think it's a perfect match, guys. It's not all the way green. It's not all the way yellow. It falls right in between, and I like that. Tech's is expensive, but Nike's been giving us steals and deals lately. The pants is $110. As you can see, the pocket right there has that white, the same sandwich inside the dunk. That's why I kind of like this one a little better than the Fair Guard look. Again, you got the white Nike check swoosh logo there, and it's Nike Tech, so you know it's comfortable. You know it's comfortable. Hats. I like this Supreme box logo Volt green joint, but I think you could do the yellow also, because the yellow is a perfect match more than this. But I just like the blend of green apple and yellow. You're going to get somewhere in this Volt. Devil Rays hat. I like this look. You got the yellow, you got the green on an all black hat with the white outlining just like the dunk. You know I'm from Brooklyn, man. Again, another all black hat. Lime green hit there. Well, not even lime green. The green that's in the sneaker, that's green apple. So I like this match. And last but not least, the Fair Guard hat in that green Lucky Charm color, clover look. Perfect match, guys. Yes, sir. So this is just some pieces I put together to match the reverse Brazils. Let me know if you look in the cop, man. If you need help finding anything you see in this video, hit me up in the comment section below. We'll find it together. And also, check out that video of the Supreme joints. If you look over there, it's a lot of joints there that match this. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.